Alright, this is part 4 here of the ceiling fan here in my old house here in Casey County. This room used to be my mom and dad's old bedroom. So this is another Hunter original fan. So we got it. There we go. Here we go. Once again, this is the same fan as the other one in the den. There's Hunter fan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on. You know what? Sorry about this, y'all. I'm just kind of in a hurry, so I'm gonna open up some other blinds here. There we go. That's better. Now we'll look one more time. There we go. Oh yeah, Hunter. All right. First, we're gonna show you the light first. Huh? That's weird. There we go. There's the light. Now we're gonna turn the fan off. We'll start out with the fan on low. Wait a minute. Alright, start out with low. This one takes a little bit to start up. This one's a little slower than the other one. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make all these videos. Gotta make this video quick. So after this, I got two more to show you. After this. See, that is low. That's how fast it goes. I don't know why, but we're getting ready to move. So we already moved. I just decided to come over. Once again, I just decided to come over here and make quick videos of it. That's low. Sorry about that. My dad's out here cutting grass. Please, just to let y'all know what that sound is. So please don't worry about that. That's just my dad cutting grass here. So here's medium. Alright. Medium. Then we're going to turn it up to high. Wait a minute, let's see if that's... Nope. There we go. Now we're going on high. That's as fast as it goes. You know what? I'm going to turn the light on again real quick. There we go. There we go. Alright, that's high. So now we're going to turn it back to off. There we go. So I'm gonna, there's the Hunter thing that says Hunter. There's the top of it. So there you go. So this is the fan here in my mom and dad's old bedroom here at my old house. So stay tuned for part 5 of the Lowe fan. Until then, that's it.